Hi guys, my name is CAKEMEAWAY, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make chocolate donuts, basically for business purposes or if you want to make it at home. So let's get started. So first things first, you need flour, and then sifted flour, of course. Then you need sugar, and then you need baking powder, baking soda, and some salt, and then some cocoa powder, good quality cocoa powder. And then stir it together for a while, and then melted butter. You have to first melt it in the microwave, and then pour it in the middle of your mixture, and then half a cup of kefir. It's called kefir around here. And then 2 eggs, and then stir. I'm going to show you guys the consistency you're looking for. You need to stir it really well. The point is to stir it and to stir out the gluten, because you want it to draw, I don't know what draw is like, you want it to be something like that. Okay. Okay, so now this is my donut maker. You can make it with the regular donut mold, maybe the silicone one, or just the regular tin one. So I'm going to fill my donut maker after setting it to 120 degrees. If you're baking it in an oven, you have to set it to 120 degrees as well and bake it for 10 minutes. And when it's done, it's going to come out clean from the mold or whatever it is you're using. Okay, so we're going to fill in these holes and then cover the maker for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, it should come out perfect. So the next thing to do is to unmold your donuts and set them aside to get cold. You have to let them get very cold, because if they're still warm, they're going to melt your white chocolate while you're trying to glaze them. Okay, so set them aside, and what I like to do while they're getting cold is to use a kitchen scissors and trim the sides, the extra whatever sticking out by the side. You have to trim the sides so it can look nice and clean. Of course, you have to make sure your hands are clean. So right now you're going to measure 100 grams of white chocolate and add to that 4 teaspoons of VHK, that's heavy whipping cream, and then put it in the microwave and stir. And when you stir your chocolate, you have to stir it really well, and you shouldn't melt it for too long, just for 30 seconds in the microwave. Okay, so what I did here was I added some white chocolate, some white food coloring to brighten up the chocolate. So now we're going to dip 6 chocolate donuts at a time. So we can dip the other 6 in maybe a pink color or maybe a purple color, depending on what I decide, Okay, so, and make sure when you dip, you make sure it touches like the sides, the rim of the chocolate, so it can look nice and pretty. Okay, so now I'm adding some pink food coloring to the same white chocolate I dipped the first half in. So right now we're going to dip the remaining half, and notice I didn't stir it completely because I want it to be marbled. If you look at the top of a donut, it's not completely pink, it's like pink with like different parts of like different shades of pink. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but whatever, I think you get it. Okay, so we're going to dip the remaining 6, and then you're going to see what I'm going to do with the remaining white chocolate. And notice I'm still using the same white chocolate, the same 100 grams we measured out in the first place, because when you're doing a business, it's important that you know how to manage your resources without compromising what your end product will be like or will taste like. Hope you understand. So right now I already painted the remaining purple, so now we're going to like put stripes on this chocolate with the purple, and then arrange them in the box. I get my boxes from Bologna Decor on Instagram. She's a Ukrainian cake box maker, and she makes really nice cake boxes. I'm going to put the link to our Instagram page in the comment section, or in the description section. So now I'm topping the donuts with some pretzels and some chocolate balls that I already painted gold. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing and for liking and for sharing. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.